Hi there. If you want to extract audio from a video, you can easily do this using the VLC Media Player without needing special software. This is the video file from which we will extract the audio.
I think we found something.
Open the VLC Media Player. Go to Media, click Convert or Save. On the File tab, click Add. Locate and load the target video. Click Convert or Save. Under Settings, select the audio type. Browse Destination folder and set the file name. Click Start. The audio has been extracted at the specified location.
For a second. I think we